All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be doing a market analysis update. I'm sure a lot of people are, wondering what's going on right now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And if you appreciate these market analysis updates, I do want you guys to do me a favor and smash that like button, as it does go a long way. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening across the board. Pretty much, if we're looking right now, we are seeing, a crazy day today in a negative way. We are seeing a lot of red across the board, double-digit drop for multiple different coins. What is really causing this? That's what we're going to be discussing. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, like I said, if you're looking across the board, everything seems to be down. If just a few coins, of course, Pengu, we know there's so much hype around it. Massive airdrop changed people's lives, and of course, a lot of excitement. But besides that, the market has reacted to specific things, and the specific things that I want to highlight is, of course, the FOMC meeting. So FOMC meeting was today, and the Federal Reserve has cut interest rates by 25 BPS. So you guys are probably wondering, isn't that a good thing? Yes, but also, in terms of projection, there were a lot of projection for, a 50 BPS rate cut, and that did not happen. So, of course, the market reacting in a negative way to that. If you're even looking at the traditional stock market, Dow Jones, S&P, everything is pretty much down right now. But yeah, that is the reality. That's something that we need to accept. And, that is the major reason as to why we're seeing a little bit of a retracement today. And speaking about retracement, you can see nearly $700 million has been wiped from the crypto markets in the last 24 hours. So anyone that has been leverage trading, this is a continuous reminder, you want to stay away from leverage trading because moves like this can wipe you out. And here we are, looking at that happening. So you guys know I'm totally against leverage trading, and that's one thing I would encourage my viewers, the ones that, support me on this channel, to stay away from. If you like cryptocurrencies, have patience, do your due diligence research, and invest what you can afford to lose, and buy it on spot rather than leverage trading, because moves like this can really wipe out your positions. But let's take a look at what's happening with the dominance index. So of course, it's no secret at this point that the dominance did go up. We shouldn't be surprised at that, because of course we saw a major drop for I wouldn't say major drop, but we did see quite a okay, you could say a major pullback from yesterday. You could look at it from like an 8% drop. So not major, but quite a significant drop for Bitcoin, which of course is going to have an impact on the dominance. Dominance is going up with it while Bitcoin goes down. So shouldn't be a surprise to any one of us at this point, based off of what we're looking right now across the board. This bloodbath that we're seeing is to be expected. And, this is something that you want to be able to accept rather than, not accept. Because if this is not something that you're okay with, then obviously, people love when the market is booming, right? When the market just pumping left and right, people love that. But if you're not okay with, retracements in the market, then I think, that's where your due diligence and research comes into play. But if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, you did see Bitcoin breaking below, obviously that key support where we were yesterday, which was the previous all-time high at $104,000. Of course, we're not there. We have retested the $100,000 price point. But what's really interesting is that the price is still remaining above the six-figure price point, which is really, really nice to see. I'm really liking that. And if we're able to see that close for Bitcoin here, I think that is a great sign. But in a grand scheme of things, I keep telling you guys, look at the bigger picture rather than the smaller time frames. We have seen significant pullbacks throughout the time. And this move right here is honestly a chance, in my opinion. I could be wrong, but in my opinion, this is a great opportunity to accumulating the coins that you like, especially if you're in it for the long haul. There's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The ones that are being greedy while there is a lot of uncertainty across the board are the ones that tend to do good. But, I'm happy about this retracement. If you watch my market analysis update, I think 2 days back, I said, if we were to see a little bit of a, bloodbath, I'd be happy at that because, I love accumulating when the market is down. But yeah, that's that's so far the case. Obviously, everything seems to be down. Whether you're holding HBAR, whether you're holding XRP, whatever the case may be, everything has been impacted by this. But you want to see the close for the daily candle today above the $100,000. If it's able to do that, I do believe market will rebound very quickly from this FOMC meeting announcement. This is the initial impact, but I do believe market will recover fast from this. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? What do you think about this FOMC meeting? And what are your targets for the end of the year for your altcoins as well as Bitcoin? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.